What happened?
Huh. Where did he put them?
Where did your stockings go?
Oh!
They must have been too big.
That says, that's not your name. Look, Kashi.
Well, we got new cups and adventures thing.
Here, buddy. Look.
Where'd your present go?
Here's your presents in your stocking.
Oh.
Oh.
You can
What
sell
do you
it to
see,
us.
baby? What's in there?
Another cup! Oh, I want that!
Here, put them down
I
here.
want that!
You got more cups?
Hey, buddy, you gotta dump out your stocking. Dump it out.
A small man. I got a small man.
It's a moment. Oh boy. Why did you take it out? Oh. Hey guys, what's this over here?
A new
Whoa!
We can live down there.
Oh, you gonna do arts and crafts too?
Down here.
That's a lot.
Oh, that's cool.
Take it out.
You can't get it out. You gotta go like one at a time here.
New
What?
bunny.
Oh, yummy.
Transformers reusable bags.
I
Oh,
got
yeah.
Batman. These are for you.
They're for
Can
you.
we open this?
Here.
I
Don't open. No. Those are bags for your snacks at school, but it has Batman on it.
You should.
Oh, and fire and rescue stickers.
A Batman bag. Whoa.
Oh, that's cool.
Batman. And Batman stickers.
Awesome.
These are mine.
Oh, look at that. They're rocking around the polar bear Christmas thing.
I'm gonna put a Batman sticker on right now. This is for me. Batman.
Very.
This is for me.
I know. I
I'm
love
gonna
it.
take the thing you
Hey,
have.
that's my stocking, you goon.